Bhubaneswar, a city with a rich heritage and culture, is one of the first smart cities in India. With a huge population under the age of 25 years, there is a constant challenge to land a suitable job in this fast-paced world. There is a need to enhance their knowledge and skills in digital solutions for operations, safety, and maintenance of a facility's physical infrastructure. This will help India's ambitious target of becoming a global economic powerhouse by 2025. With this vision in mind, the IndianOil Skill Development Center was set up in Bhubaneswar to empower the youth with not only the skills of today but also prepare them for the challenges of tomorrow.
Hello everyone, I am Sanjay Shrivastava, Chief Executive Officer of Skill Development Institute at Bhubaneswar. SDI Bhubaneswar has been set up by Oil PSUs with IndianOil as the lead manager. At IndianOil, we always want to bring and take projects which affect the society and nation as a whole. Under the aegis of Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, SDI Bhubaneswar is working towards skilling youth and enhancing their livelihood so as to increase employability and entrepreneurship of youth of India and make them future ready. To see our vision come into action, we have partnered with various industry members, and one of the partner of choice is Schneider Electric for setting up a center of excellence in energy management at SDI Bhubaneswar. The COE will help create a digitally competent workforce for India. Schneider Electric is the world leader in energy management and automation with deep domain expertise, especially in smart city technologies and smart factory automation. Their commitment to engage with institutions and contribute to their overall growth has always led the way for the world to become more sustainable, digital, and green. The vision of a Skill Development Institute has been to create a world-class multi-skilling institute with a state-of-the-art training classroom and labs. To create a world-class talent pool in India that would cater to Indian industry as well as global players. Schneider Electric has offered to be a turnkey partner of SDI Bhubaneswar through a build, operate and transfer model in setting up this center of excellence. Together, we demonstrate an exemplary model of industry academia partnership that has set up one of its kind model skill academy with global standards that offer the best skills training facilities with a high level of technical sophistication. Schneider Electric's state-of-art equipment and integrated system at every level helps in building automation technologies, industrial automation technologies and building management system. Industry 4.0 based smart factory, electric vehicle charging stations, energy management systems. SDI Bhubaneswar and its fantastic infrastructure is utilized for world skills competition in electrical installation and industrial controls. We are proud to contribute and partner with NSDC and sector skill councils in preparing the youth for their livelihood as well as world skills competitions along with Schneider Electric. Our program focuses on providing practical training through highly customized and specially developed dedicated equipment which operates with the latest technologies that are used in the industry. With changing times, we have started to empower sustainability in our skill building initiatives that meets the industry requirement across India. At SDI Bhubaneswar, we are building a new generation of a skilled workforce for the industry who through their smart approach and futuristic technology will script the new renewable energy story and create a sustainable future. SDI-B students are our green yodhas who will go out in the industry and set new standards for both the institute and Schneider Electric. Couldn't be more proud for the impact our green yodhas will make in the world of tomorrow.